very popularly nicknamed as Paniwala Mayor in his hometown state of Gujarat. Mr. Wala was the mayor of Rajkot, one of the prominent towns in Saurashtra region. During the drought, the city had to witness acute shortage of drinking water. Mr. Vijaybai Wala, as the mayor, has played a very major role in solving the problem. As a popular mayor, we have seen him elected to the State Assembly from 1985 for the first time. Since then, he has a record of continuously being in the Assembly till he was eliminated as the Governor of Karnataka in the last August. Ladies and gentlemen, my young friends, he has created history. He has once even sacrificed his assembly seat for our beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, to be elected as the MLA when he assumed the charge of Chief Minister. Such a sacrifice nature Mr. Wala has, being a staunch follower of RSS, a rare record of presenting the 11th Gujarat state budgets in the row as a finance minister. He has also served as a Minister for Energy, Petrochemicals, Revenue, Urban Development before he became the governor, elected as the governor of Karnataka. He was also the Speaker of Governor in the Assembly from 2012. So I am very happy. Today he is here with us. He has a very tight schedule today. He has come all the way from Delhi and he has to leave as early as possible. I will not take much of his time, and he has to give a vote to the new judges of this Karnataka High Court, which is scheduled at 6 and all. So on behalf of the National Education Foundation, not only the trustees here, all the parents here, all the faculties here, including all the staff and children, I welcome him wholeheartedly on behalf of the National Education Foundation. Today I have one great personality, Dr. Gopal Krishna.